NASA's Alien Hunter has mysteriously fallen into darkness, and scientists just can't explain why. In October 2018, NASA's Steadfast Extraterrestrial Hunter and the pioneering Kepler Space Telescope stopped collecting data, spending millions for space observation and hard efforts which were helpful with the identification of thousands of space planets. But these went into a coma. Johannes Kepler's scientists rushed to decode the reason. Science fiction has explored and cleared up the extraterrestrial planets through the two American space opera media franchise based on the science fiction television series Star Trek and Star Wars. On the other hand, scientists have made sure to confirm the entity of the alien life, its civilization, and the astronomical evidence of explants. The 17th century was the open door for the invention of the different kind of invented optical instruments that make distant objects appear magnified by using an arrangement of lenses such as the telescope. With the evolution of inventions, scientists finally believed through their discoveries that the Earth is no longer the center of the universe, but eventually other planets and the solar system came to strengthen the belief in the existed worlds other than our own. Alien planets are not the only thing that most people believe in, but there is also the technological advanced alien civilization with the ability to discover other worlds. Even the modern media such as photography, videos, and the World Wide Web contribute into describing the surprising meetings with the extraterrestrial visitor on Earth by claimed substantiations. The Roswell UFO incident took place in the U.S. in June or July 1947 when an airborne object crashed nearby Roswell, New Mexico. It was one of the most famed events. In 1947, the military claimed that it was a surveillance balloon and not as what the people thought of an alien spaceship. In addition, the United States Air Force facility, commonly known as Area 51, which is a highly classified remote detachment of Edwards Air Force Base, it has led to significant suppositions over the years. A considerable number of ufologists declare that it contains evidence and proof of the existence of extraterrestrial technology, but the government itself was a bit honest about the purpose of the facility, while in reality it is used for evolving the weapons and the aircraft. SETI Institute is a research organization whose mission is to probe, understand, and clarify the nature and the source of life in the universe. It mentioned details in its website saying that within our existing technology's limits, the search for distant intelligent life must obligatory be a search for some appearance of a distant technology. It also added the fact that the National Research Council has tightened the necessity of searching for proofs of the electromagnetic signature of the very far civilization. By way of explanation, the SETI Institute has always been committed to its mission by scanning outer space for extraterrestrial radio transmissions. But until now, that different kind of life hasn't been discovered. But it doesn't mean that the alien civilization is not real or won't be found in the future. Besides, the electromagnetic communications is not the only way to connect with alien life. More precisely, Johannes Kepler, the German astronomer and a space observatory launched by NASA to discover Earth-sized planets orbiting other stars, during his mission's routine, he observed and noticed changes in the light freed by so many stars, and this known as a transit event. The passage of an explant decreases the light. After the successful data download of NASA, which was concerned the stargazing campaign, the Kepler Space Telescope deepened into the universe's darkness and ended up being shutted down. The real reasons behind that remained fuzzy and not clear, but conspiracy theorists must have questioned a lot about the fact that the observatory had stolen a glimpse of something extremely important that leads to an alien civilization.